So I received these trays in exchange for my review, and it is a seed starting kit, and it does come with 8 planting trays and covers specifically to go ahead and actually start your seeds from these containers so that you can actually put them in your garden. So let's go ahead and actually take this outside and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this set comes with everything. First off, it does come with 2 trays for each particular tray here. So 2 of these silicone ones to be able to go with the tray. And you've got different colors, which is really, really nice. Now, these are made of silicone and they are super duper thick. You can see that they're very flexible, but overall, the quality of them is actually really, really nice. Now, the greenhouse little tray that it comes with is actually made of really nice quality as well. The plastic itself is not super duper flimsy. It's fairly thick. It also comes with your base tray, which as well is super duper thick. You can see that I'm not able to kind of break this down very easily just by pushing on it. And then when you attach this to the top, it doesn't snap into place, which is perfect because then you don't risk actually breaking this when you're trying to take it off. It also comes with these little vents, which you go ahead and you actually put on. So depending on the temperature of your outside, you can actually go ahead and ventilate these a little bit or close them off completely so that your seeds will germinate. It comes with a fantastic amount of plant stakes for you to be able to go ahead and put the name of your seeds in your trays. These are white, and as you can see, they're fairly durable. They're not super duper thin, which is great. And then these are actually green colored. Again, the quality of these are fantastic. And the last thing I want to mention are these little hand tools. These are about 6 inches in length, but they both have 2 different sections that you are going to be using. This is a little shovel for you to be able to go ahead and fill up your silicone trays. The seed hole makers so you can go ahead and actually put your seed. This is so that you can easily go ahead and cover your seed, and then a small little shovel if you're needing to go ahead and actually get out any type of weeds or anything like that into your out of your container. I also love that this is easily stackable for you to be able to go ahead and put it back in the box for storage and then use it whenever you need it. Okay, one of the last things that I want to mention is the height of this dome. So this gives you 4 inches of clearance, which is really nice when you're growing tomatoes and peppers because you're going to allow them to be able to get to that height before you're needing to transplant them. So I absolutely love this little set. This is going to be fantastic. I do a lot of gardening, and this is going to help eliminate a lot of the trash because I can easily go ahead and reuse these multiple times over and over again, saving on a lot of that waste.